Okay guys, so let's click on our Autodesk Inventor once it's downloaded. Today I'm going to show you how to start when it pops up, and then I'm going to show you how to make the letter T. So that just hit close with that window. Now once that loads, we're going to go to launch and then new, or you might just have the new, but I just want new. Then I'm going to click on standard IPT, always standard IPT, then create. So once that screen pops up, it should be a dark gray blank screen, okay? Now what I want to do is I want to hit a sketch and create 2D sketch. Create 2D sketch. Now, these are the planes that pop up. These are the different planes that we're going to be working with. Today, I want to hit the XY plane. So that's this one right here. So once that pops up, if you see down here, there's an X and a Y axis. I want to come over to this cube and I want to hit on this house. Now it shows me the XYZ axis. Now we're familiar with only working with the X and the Y axis in math, but this gives us a Z axis in order to make the objects three-dimensional. So the X and the Y are two-dimensional, but then that Z allows the object to really pop out and make it three-dimensional. So we're going to hit front again. Now what I want to do is I want to go to draw, and then I want to hit on rectangle. Draw rectangle. So if you see that yellow dot in the middle, I want to hover over that, and it should turn green when I'm directly on it. So that's exactly where I want to be, with that green dot. So I click once, and then I bring my mouse out. Now I only click once, do not click again, okay? So once and then drag it out, and that number 3.019 that's highlighted in blue above it, that's the width dimension, the width measurement of our rectangle. So I want to change that to 1. So I'm going to hit 1. And then I'm going to hit tab, and it goes to the other number. So it goes to the length number, so 3.508. I want to make that 4 inches. So I'm hitting 1, tab, 4, and then enter. Now it's 1 inch by 4 inches. Now I want to, and I'm going to use my mouse to kind of zoom in, so you can use your scroll to zoom in a little bit. Now I want to draw again, rectangle again. I want to start in this top corner. So the top corner of the rectangle is, and you see that that's a green dot again. That's good. That means we're directly on the corner. So I'm clicking once, I'm dragging out, and I want to change it to 1, tab, 1, enter. So that is 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay, we're going to repeat that process over here. So corner, drag out, 1, tab, 1, enter. Okay, now we're done. So I want to hit exit. Some of you might have exit or finish sketch. It doesn't matter as long as that green check mark, that means we're done. So I'm going to finish my sketch. There we go. So exit, finish sketch. All right, and it zooms in. That's totally fine. What I want you to do is this cube, this viewing cube in the corner, I want you to hover over it, and then a house appears. I want you to click on that house. So now we have the object in view. So now what I want to do is I want to go to create. I want to go to extrude. So create, extrude. Once I get that, I'm going to click on the surfaces that I want to pop out. So I'm going to click 1, 2, 3. And I want it to pop out 1 inch. So it already says 1 inch right here or right here. However, let's say I wanted to make it 2 inches. All I need to do is erase that 1 and hit 2. Okay, and then it would pop out 2. For this sake, I want to hit 1. Okay, now we're going to make sure over here, this is extrude and this is cut. If I wanted to cut it, make it go the other way, I would hit that, and it goes the other way. So do you see how it goes to the right when I click cut, or direction 2? When I hit direction 1, it goes forward. So it really doesn't matter for this letter which one you choose. So I'm going to hit that, and then I hit OK. And now I click home again. And sometimes it'll zoom in, sometimes it won't. And there is our letter T.